What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in today. We got a few little upgrades here for the Typhon. First thing, I added a new wing. I got the V3 wing. My other wing is actually cut for speed runs, so I'll be using this wing pretty much for the rest of the time off-road. Got some new tires here for on-road. These are GRPs. They're belted S1 compound. Really nice. I can't wait to try them out. And we also got some batteries that just came in here. So let me unbox this and we'll take a look at these new batteries I got. Alright, so we got our box open here. They gave me a sucker. Alright. Cool, got a coupon here. Got it from rcjuice.com. A lot of nice stuff on there, so be sure to check them out. Just take a look here. Okay. Alright. You still like the batteries here. Nicely packaged. Awesome. Alright. First thing I got, they do have Traxxas plugs on them. I was just going to go ahead and solder XT90s, but then I found these, and they are cordless Traxxas to XT90 plugs, and they're really nice. I went and got two of them, so that'll take care of that problem. And here we have the batteries. See if I can get these things open. Set the camera down for a second. See if I can get these open real quick. Alright. Have it. Alright, we got some Hobbystar batteries. These are 5600 milliamp hour, 3S LiPo, 60C discharge rate. These are a little bit bigger than my SMCs I'm running. The SMC batteries, they didn't last too long on my Typhon. These are bigger milliamp hour, so I'm hoping that basically I need more runtime. And the charge rate is great. 60C, that's good. My SMCs are 90C. The only thing, these are not hard case, they're soft. Can't wait to try them out. Hopefully my runtime will be a lot better with these. And I got another one, so we'll definitely going to be running 6S. But yeah, these look really good. I got the Hobbystar brand because I got a Hobbystar motor. And yeah, we'll charge them up and we'll see how long the runtime is. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll have a little video of me running it with these batteries in there. Okay guys, the batteries are fully charged. Got them in. We're going to go test drive it now, and we'll see how long this thing actually runs. Right over it. This thing's flying with these batteries. Wow. Okay, Alright guys, I am back. Runtime was right at 30 minutes with these batteries, so that's about double what I'm getting out of my SMCs. I have nothing against SMC batteries. Those batteries just didn't give me the runtime that I wanted. But you can see I got my new wing and my new batteries all dirty, so I'm going to clean this thing up. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for some more updates.